0.5 to 1% men die from breast cancer. Yes, men can also develop breast cancer. You know why the disease is more deadly in men than it is in women? It's because it's a well-known fact that a woman have the possibility of developing breast cancer. So when a woman notices any slight change in her breast or around her breast region, she quickly seek medical attention. But as a man, you don't pay attention because you don't believe or you don't know that men can develop breast cancer. You know, the same signs and symptoms in women is the same thing that also displays in men. So as a man, when you discover that you discover some lymph nodes, you know, some swelling around your breast region or around your nipples, that you feel like something is moving or is painful, you know, make sure that you see your healthcare providers. You know, the risk factors in women is still the same thing in men. If you are a man and you have a family history of breast cancer, you should know that you are also at risk of developing breast cancer. So remember, breast cancer, when it is dictated or if it is diagnosed at an early stage, it can be easily treated. But when the tumor spread around the body, the treatment becomes difficult. And that is why you see more men die from the breast cancer when they develop it because of late diagnosis. So as a woman, make it a point of duty to always check your breast to detect if there are changes or you feel as if there is a swelling or something is moving like a stone, you know, around your breast region. It's very important because early diagnosis can lead to early treatment. So let's say no to cancer in our society and let's educate others. Make sure that you share this information to your brother or to anyone close to you so that they will know that breast cancer also develop in men and it can be prevented and it can also be treated when it is detected early. And ways of preventing breast cancer, both in men and women, we have regular screening, we have regular exercise, watch your diet, because especially when you have family history of breast cancer. You know, exercise is the best way that it will reduce the risk factor of this disease, reduce alcohol consumption, and also reduce smoking because these are also risk factors. And as an elderly person, either a man or a woman, make sure that your diet is what is one of the most important things to you. Make sure that you reduce too much intake of red meat because red meat is associated to so many medical conditions, and also avoid processed food, you know, because sometimes we take these junks into our body without minding their effects in the body. So reduce too much sugar, you know, in that way you can stay healthy. Make sure you prioritize healthy and natural foods because natural food does not have any effect on our health, but rather it promotes our well-being. Make sure you stay healthy and make sure you stay safe. Bye and